be staying at the Mitsis Rodos Maris Hotel, all-inclusive resort on the Greek island of Rhodes. So to show you the little one-bedroom bungalow. This is the bathroom part of it. You can't drink the water from the tap in Greece, you need bottled water. And the other thing to remember in Greece is the toilet setup is slightly different. So, excuse me, any paper doesn't go down the loo, it goes in a little bin to the right. And you also find that you have a funny little drain thing here, which is where all your wastewater disappears to. So you can see all your bath water etc. disappearing under your feet, which is a bit odd. And if you're a bit unlucky like us, when you let the bath water go, sometimes it comes back up through that and goes over the floor. So in the one-bedroom bungalow you have a bathroom. You're fairly tight on space, you have a very old telly. You do have aircon with remote control, which is effective and quiet. It's a pleasant room, I'll show you outside in a moment, but you are a bit on top of one another, there's not a lot of leg room. The only thing we didn't really like was, unlike all the other resorts we've been to, the safe there, that's 40 euros plus a deposit to use that, which seems a bit extortionate for an all-inclusive resort. Wi-Fi is free in reception and internet cafe. Again, it's about 40 euros if you want to have Wi-Fi in your room, which also, from a competitor set of hotels, is a bit on the tight side, I think. But you have got a glorious view. See the rest of the complex there. And you've got a sea view. So please subscribe, it really helps us. Have a look at all the other hotel reviews we've done, we're building up from around the world. We look forward to seeing you next time.